This brand new Connex with 440 competition tune-up done. Let's check out the needle response now. Ella. Yeah, that's more like it. Alright, just like always, went in here, upgraded this capacitor to a 10,000. Upgraded the AM voltage regulator. This gray heatsink compound is supposedly supposed to be the best as far as taking heat off the transistor and transferring it to the aluminum chassis. Then of course I replaced this capacitor, this resistor, and instead of using just one wire on each, I use this high temp wire, 2 positives and 2 negatives. That way there's no voltage drop going from the plug to the board. This little piece of wire that's here that's bad about breaking because it's stiff and it won't let the radio flex. It'll break off the board from the other side. So I replaced it with Teflon. Then I added a 10,000 in place of the 1,000. Then added a big 15 amp diode there, 15 amp diode there. Built an expanded carrier circuit right here. Fine-tuned everything. Fine-tuned the gate voltage. There's plenty of heatsink compound on the transistors. So let's see what kind of power output the radio is producing now. 50 watt bird slug as always. We're going to be looking at RMS at first. Root mean square. Hello. Almost 50 RMS. Hello. Right, pretty close to 50, about 45, 46. Alright, now we're going to check out the reference meter and see what we got. We're on RMS 20 watt scale. Hello, smacking it no problem. Alright, now we're going to go to 200. Then we're going to go to peak power on the reference meter. 440 made, 440 built, bumpy bump bump bump. So radio's absolutely getting it. Now let's check out and see how loud and clear the talkback is. Also, I wanted to show that I don't never remove any limiters. Well, anyway, TR32 still in there. Right there is where it solders in. So I always leave TR32 in and all the limiters in the radio. Some people like to cut this resistor here or cut this transistor here out. I don't do that. I leave all the limiters in the radio. But anyway, we got good, clean, clear talkback to where we can actually hear it when driving down the road. 440 built, 440 made technology. So radio's doing good, it's receiving good, it's doing big RMS, big power. Almost 50 RMS is extremely well, especially for it to still be clear on the spectrum analyzer and the oscilloscope. And it's got phenomenal hearing. I use this right here to inject 1 microvolt at 30% modulation using a 1,000 cycle test tone. But before I do that, I set the 455, the second intermediate frequency on receive, set it right here. Set the transmit frequency right here. I appreciate you letting me do the 440 competition tune-up to this brand new Connex. And I like this echo board here. It just goes on forever. Hello. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah, TF4. But yeah, it is a turbo board, so this is my favorite radio, the Connex 36 HPF 440 CB shop saying bump bump.